I want that section cleared by noon. Get in it, lads.
Keep digging. Push harder. Get that debris clear before the next scoop.
Here you go, Frank. Best coffee in the city.
Ah, thanks, Jack. I needed that. To the kings of the sky.
We don't have time for this redesign. Those piles are deep enough.
The load calculations are clear, Samuel. We exceed the limit, the whole structure fails.
Keep it moving. Watch the line. Clear the way.
Pressure's holding. All right, man, let's move. Lower deck now.
To check the consistency, you use your thumb. See how it clings to the skin? Nice and stiff. That's the old world way to know it's ready.
Look out, the beam!
Get back, get back! Watch the wind!
Look at the schedule. We're running out of daylight. I need this floor finished now. Get back to your crew.
Hold it down, hold it down! We need more rope over here. Watch out for the wind!
All right, keep pulling from your end.
It's catching on the conduit.
Give it a hard tug.
These massive steel sections form the primary wind bracing system. They ensure the tower behaves as a stiffened tube.
Swing left, hold steady, lower the load. Easy, easy. Set it down.
Oh! Hey, kid, over here! Oh!
Look at that! It's beautiful!
It's like a giant lighthouse in the urban sea.
Watch out!
They're adding a spire. We need to go higher.
Ready!
This rain ain't letting up, is it?
Boss still expects us to hit the deadline.
He wouldn't last an hour up here.
All right, everyone, move out.
We made it through. Look at that view.
Look out below!
Did you see the paper?
Yeah, we're all ruined. What happens now?
Clear the way! Harder, lads. We need this gone by sundown. Fire in the hole!
It must be for the people.
Who do you think it is?
Out of the way, folks. Make room now.
Piano, piano. Questo blocco è duro.
Lower it slow, easy now. Watch the east cable.
We need more slack on this side.
Hold it steady right there.
Keep clear of the sparks below.
All right, we're moving the scaffold now.
We are building the richest buildings in the world, yet we can barely feed our children. They ignore our pleas for safety and decent wages. We will not stand for it.
We need your hands for a greater purpose now.
All right, sign me up, officer.
Watch the swing on that load. All right, bring it down slow.
We got the iron. Take it away.
Yeah, put it on the pile.
Hold it right there. Easy now. Bring her down slow. Watch your feet, lads. Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on the left. It's clear. Set it down.
No soul, just glass and air.
This is the new heart of the building. Air conditioning means windows don't need to open. Buildings can be wider.
We cannot absorb these losses. It's unacceptable.
The market shifted. What did you expect?
This merger is moving forward regardless.
I needed this. 10 minutes away from the marble and glass.
It's better than listening to Thompson drone on.
Connecting you now. Please hold.
Look at those trees against the steel. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, quite the escape from the spreadsheets.
Right over there, past the Woolworth building, you can see the whole harbor from up here. It's magnificent. Morning, kid.
Morning.
Folks, remain calm now. We'll have this sorted out.
How can we be calm? We're 500 feet up.
What was that banging?
Steady.
It reminds us of the scale. The building is so big it changes the weather and light for the people below.
Hey, look at this.
Postcards.
Hello, old girl.
Look at this fabric, it's incredible.
The Q3 projections are looking solid.
Keep that pace up, you're almost there.
It conveys a sense of permanence. Wars come and go, markets crash and rise, but the building remains.
We did it! Congratulations, Frank. It is done.
The skeleton is complete, Jack.
The crown jewel. It really is magnificent.
Nothing else like it in the city. It is perfect.